Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO Reno 8 Pro. Begin by launching Play Store on both devices and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. If you want to scan the QR code instead, select Scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then just point it at the code. Wherever you decided, when you finished, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!